Good morning, everyone. I hope you guys are all enjoying your morning. And I want to welcome you to my channel, Success with Velvet. I'm your host, Velvet Davis. I've been an online marketer since 2014. I started this YouTube channel in 2017. It has evolved over the years because I've changed the name constantly. So I'm sticking with Success with Velvet because that's what you're going to find with me is success. You're going to succeed online with anything you do, whether it's paid or free opportunities. And I'm here to provide you guys with tips. I'm here to provide you with, everything that I know about marketing online and things you guys can do to make money. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. Like this video, share it, subscribe, tap on the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. So today I decided I want to talk about YouTube. And for those of you that want to start a YouTube channel, about the 4 important things you need to grow a YouTube channel. Okay, so we're going to get into that right now. So the first thing you're going to need is a cover photo. Okay, you're going to need this because this is what's going to, separate you from the others. It's nice to have a good cover photo and a nice picture of yourself, and then you can title your channel whatever you want it, but it's nice to have a good cover photo. And where you find how you make this cover photo is you come over here to canva.com. It's free to sign up. I recommend signing up, logging in with your email account, your Gmail. That way you don't have to remember your password. You can just log with your Gmail account. So in order to create a cover photo for YouTube, channel art, I call it channel art. You click on channel art here. You click on channel art and it's already sized for YouTube. Okay, it's already sized. You don't have to resize it. You just will have to probably redo it a couple of times so it can show on your desktop, your TV, and your mobile device. So you're going to have to rearrange this a couple of times. So you just come over here and you can choose some things that are made available to you. You have your uploads here where you can choose from some pictures you've already uploaded and used. As you guys can see, I have a lot of them. So you can add elements to your picture. You can add text. You can add a YouTube video. And these are the background colors that you can add. You can add them yourself, or you can pick some of the ones they have already. They have tons of free ones you can choose from. I just choose my own colors here. And up here, this is an extension that I installed. Color Pick for Chrome, I believe it is. It's just an extension. So that I installed is like a background color thing. So you guys can just come on here, choose your channel art that you want for YouTube. And I changed this tons of times, and I even added in my my Instagram and my Facebook. I don't know if any of you have been, going ahead and clicking on this, but it takes you to my Instagram and my Facebook where you can follow me, message me, get in contact with me there. And so that's the first thing you want to do when you start a YouTube channel. You want to come on here and create your channel art, and come over here to Canva. I'll be leaving this link to this website in the description below. It's free to sign up, you guys. Remember to sign up with using your email account, your Gmail, because that way you don't have to remember your password. It has other things. It has for Facebook, it has everything and it's already sized. You don't have to size it yourself. Okay, so that's the first important thing you want. The second important thing you want to, if you're going to be putting up videos on your channel, is you're going to want thumbnails. You can also come to Canva and create YouTube thumbnails. The YouTube thumbnail is already sized. All you do is add your text, your background color, and your picture, and whatever it is you want. So you can also go to Canva to create your thumbnails for YouTube as well, for your YouTube videos. And you're gonna need titles, really good titles for your videos. You can find titles in you can just find titles in the the search bar here. You can just type in, let's say you want to title your video "Get Paid to Take Surveys." These are some really good titles you can title your video. A good title makes your video stand out, and everything I'm showing you guys is going to help you rank on YouTube. These are just 4 important things you need to know when growing a YouTube channel, because you want to be ranking. You want your video to be at least number 1 on the when you search up your YouTube video. When someone goes to search you up on Google or on YouTube, your video is number 1 or number 2, whatever. But you want to be ranking on YouTube. This is how you rank on YouTube. And you also so we've got number 1 was cover photo, was your YouTube cover, your cover, your photo, your channel art. Second thing was your thumbnail. The third thing was titles for your video. That's important. The fourth thing is keywords. You can search up keywords in the search bar as well for your videos. So if you want to learn about, let's say, I made a video yesterday, window research. Look at all this. These are tons of keywords that you guys can put in your description when you write out your description. You want to be putting this in your description. And you want to be repeating, you want to have that word repeated over and over in your description as well. So let me give you an example of what I mean. Okay, for instance, I only write out a description if it's dealing with a paid opportunity. I'm just letting you guys know that now. You will only see a description written out for my videos if it's a paid opportunity. See, this one's really short because I didn't really, add too much to it. But this is an example. But you do want to write the title of your video in your description. You want to repeat with your title in your description until you're done writing it out. You want to put your website in your description, and you want to put your email and your social media sites where people can find you at as well. And look over here, my video is already ranking. Actually, these are all the videos I put it up. These aren't ranking. Okay, so that's basically what you want to do. That's the 4 tips, you guys. 4 important things you need to grow your YouTube channel. So the first one was your channel art, which is this right here. You have a nice picture as well. Your title, your name of your channel. That's first thing is your channel art. Second thing is your thumbnails. Third thing is a title. You can search up a title in your search bar, and also keywords. You can search up keywords to put in your description in the search bar. So I really hope this video helped you guys. I will be coming on here making more, giving you more knowledge. So if you like this video, like it, share it, subscribe, tap on the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. Take care.